Hello and welcome to the Live Well Everyday channel. Did you know that with just a small pineapple, we can boost digestion, reduce inflammation, beautify our skin, and support natural weight loss? In today's video, I will share with you all the amazing health and beauty benefits of pineapple, along with simple yet incredibly effective tips to help you make the most of this precious source of nutrition. Especially in part 2 of the video, I will reveal to you some recipes that combine pineapple with other natural ingredients, turning it into a natural elixir for your body, helping with detoxification, supporting joint health, enhancing skin beauty, and reducing belly fat. So don't take your eyes off the screen. Stay with me until the end of the video to discover all the wonderful things waiting for you. First, let me share with you the components and benefits of pineapple. 1. Rich in digestive enzymes, helping the digestive system function more efficiently. Pineapple is one of the few fruits that contain a very special natural enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme has the ability to break down proteins, meaning it helps cut complex protein chains from food into simpler amino acids, making it easier for the body to absorb. Especially after high-protein meals like beef, chicken, fish, or seafood. The bromelain in pineapple will help ease the burden on the stomach, thereby reducing bloating, indigestion, and the feeling of fullness after eating. Moreover, bromelain also has a mild anti-inflammatory effect, helping to soothe the stomach lining if it gets mildly irritated, and supports the prevention of chronic digestive issues. Eating a few slices of ripe sweet pineapple after meals not only helps freshen your breath, but also stimulates the pancreas to secrete better endogenous enzymes, allowing the entire digestive process to proceed more smoothly and comfortably. Therefore, if you often experience heaviness after meals, especially after protein-rich meals, simply adding a small amount of ripe pineapple to your daily diet can naturally help your digestive system work more healthily. 2. Natural anti-inflammatory properties supporting joint health. One of the outstanding benefits of bromelain, the signature enzyme found in pineapple, is its natural anti-inflammatory ability. The way bromelain works is very special. It can inhibit inflammatory molecules like prostaglandins and cytokines, which are the main causes of swelling, heat, redness, and pain reactions in the body. Therefore, by regularly absorbing bromelain through foods like pineapple, you are helping your body reduce chronic inflammation safely, without the side effects often associated with conventional anti-inflammatory drugs. This benefit is especially helpful for people suffering from joint pain, arthritis, spinal degeneration, or older adults who often feel stiffness and knee pain when waking up in the morning. Bromelain not only helps ease the pain, but also supports cartilage recovery when combined with a nutrient-rich diet. And not just older adults, young people who work in offices, stand for long periods, or move improperly, causing back, neck, or shoulder pain, can also reduce soft tissue inflammation and muscle tension by adding ripe pineapple to their daily diet. Eating pineapple is not a substitute for medication, but by maintaining it regularly, you are helping your body naturally activate a sustainable and healthy self-healing process. 3. Strengthening immunity and enhancing skin beauty from within. Pineapple is one of the fruits rich in natural vitamin C, an essential micronutrient that the body cannot synthesize on its own, but plays a crucial role in protecting the immune system. Specifically, vitamin C helps activate the activity of white blood cells, the first line of defense against invading bacteria and viruses, while also boosting the production of interferon, a substance that protects cells from infection. As a result, regularly adding pineapple to your diet can help the body fight off colds, sore throats, and speed up recovery after illnesses. But it doesn't stop at immunity. Vitamin C is also a key factor in collagen synthesis, a type of protein that makes up more than 70% of the skin's structure. Collagen helps maintain elasticity, firmness, and slows down the aging process of the skin. When you eat pineapple, its abundant vitamin C content stimulates the body to naturally produce collagen, helping your skin become smoother, reducing wrinkles, fading dark spots, and boosting natural moisture. Additionally, Pineapple contains antioxidant compounds such as beta-carotene, flavonoids, and phenolic acids, which help protect skin cells from the damaging effects of UV rays and free radicals, thereby slowing down aging and preserving your radiant beauty from within. With all these benefits, pineapple truly deserves to be a trusted companion in the diet of anyone who cares about both natural health and beauty. 4. Reducing belly fat and supporting natural weight management. Pineapple is a low-energy density fruit, meaning it contains few calories but is rich in nutrients and packed with soluble fiber. In 100 grams of ripe pineapple, there are only about 50 to 60 kcal, yet it provides a large amount of fiber, water, and digestive supporting enzymes. When you eat pineapple, the fiber expands in the stomach, creating a feeling of fullness for longer, helping to reduce cravings and limit snacking between main meals. Moreover, the bromelain enzyme in pineapple also supports fat metabolism, especially when combined with a balanced diet and proper physical activity. Some studies show that bromelain can stimulate lipid breakdown, helping the body burn fat more efficiently, particularly in the belly and waist areas, where stubborn fat often accumulates. Pineapple also has a medium glycemic index, and its natural sugars are absorbed slowly thanks to its high fiber content, helping control blood insulin levels and preventing sudden blood sugar spikes that can lead to fat storage. Therefore, eating a few slices of ripe pineapple before meals or replacing sugary desserts with pineapple can be a simple yet effective strategy to manage weight and support belly fat reduction. For anyone looking to stay in shape, lose weight, or simply eat healthier, pineapple is a smart and natural choice, helping you achieve your goals without extreme restrictions or harsh dieting. Although pineapple is rich in nutrients and offers numerous health benefits, not everyone should consume large amounts of it, especially raw pineapple. The reason is that pineapple contains a high amount of organic acids like citric acid, along with bromelain, which has strong proteolytic properties. Eating pineapple on an empty stomach or consuming too much at once can stimulate the stomach lining, causing a burning sensation, discomfort, and may even worsen conditions like gastritis or peptic ulcers in those with pre-existing digestive issues. Additionally, bromelain has a mild blood-thinning effect, so people with open wounds, those who have just undergone surgery, or individuals taking anticoagulant medications should also be cautious when consuming large amounts of fresh pineapple. Some people who are prone to mouth ulcers, acne, or are sensitive to bromelain should also limit their intake of raw pineapple, or they can soak the pineapple in lightly salted water before eating to reduce the enzymes and acids that may cause irritation. To ensure safety, it's best to eat pineapple after a main meal when the stomach already has a food base and consume a moderate amount. About 100 to 150 grams per serving is ideal. By eating it properly, you can fully enjoy the benefits of pineapple without harming your digestive system or overall health. As you can see, just this one fruit offers countless amazing benefits for our health, from digestion and anti-inflammation to enhancing skin beauty and supporting weight loss. But even more wonderful is that if we know how to combine pineapple with a few other natural foods, the value it brings can multiply, turning into natural elixirs that help detoxify, cleanse the body, restore joints, reduce visceral fat, and nurture beauty from deep within. Right now, I'm going to reveal to you 4 incredibly simple yet highly effective recipes, helping you transform the familiar pineapple into precious natural remedies that you can easily apply right at home. Let's discover them together. You'll be amazed. I hope today's sharing has helped you better understand how to make the most of pineapple, a precious gift from nature, to take care of your health and your family's health in the simplest and most effective way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Live Well Everyday channel so you won't miss out on more natural health tips in the future. See you again in the next videos.